Now, the moment of truth. In the figure 8 pattern, with the low cut filter off and the pad off, this is how it sounds like. My love story with Rode continues on, this time a new mic, NT2-A. Let's unbox that. Let's see what's in the box. Here's the shock mount with the pop filter. I prefer the pop filter a little further away. Seems like quality construction, Rode style. Made in Australia. And here we have a couple of switches. We have, and these are polar pattern switches over here. Here you have a low cut filter and you have a pad. So there's the PCB inside. Looks pretty quality. Screwing this from the bottom tightens up the mic into that. I think it's a really good looking mic. Here's the omnidirectional mode. And does it sound any different? And now in the circular pattern. Does it affect the voice in any way? A bit off center from the mic. How does that sound? What I feel is that the sound of this NT2-A is a bit less bassy. I mean, it has a bit less the lower frequencies than this. Now this is my current setup over here. I have the Rode NT1 5th generation, and this is what I'm recording right now with. Let's change the mic right now to the NT2-A. But it sounds more clear, kind of, it pushes forth my voice a little bit more. With this mic, the figure 8 pattern might be the best bet for me with this setup, because I have the foam reflection shield behind it. So it kind of captures that softness of that material in it. And I have acoustic room, these panels, and I'm getting more of these panels. Stay tuned for that in the future. So it's a kind of not a normal space that I'm recording this in. And if your room is untreated, so to say, that it's just a very echoey space, it's going to pronounce that very much. This might get away with it a bit better. But we will see. I'm gonna do rap with this. The next track is gonna be recorded with this. I'm getting to that. I'm gonna do a song for you in Finnish and also in English today. Recording that shit with this mic. So stay tuned and keep watching this channel. That's the Rode NT2-A review and introduction of my new recording mic.